So the things about the solar system is that Ceres in the asteroid belt is an dwarf planet. It's the only dwarf planet found in the inner solar system. And Pluto has a moon so big that it orbits the moon too, and the moon that they orbit each other. And the moon's name is Charon, and solar systems with more than one star are called binary systems.
Wow.
And supernovas are created when a star dies, and there's a chance that it could become a black hole or a white dwarf. And there's a black hole at the middle of superclusters. It helps the making of the stars, and there's supermassive black holes in the middle of each galaxy, and the sun isn't actually still. It moves around the black hole, the supermassive black hole in it, and every time it goes around it one time, it's called a galactic year.
Wow, really?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, can you tell me about Jupiter?
Jupiter has rings, but the rings aren't visible, and it took away Saturn's king of most stars most moons in the solar system, but then more moons were discovered by the scientists, and then Saturn got the crown back.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Jupiter has two storms on it. One of them is the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a really huge storm that is visible from space. It has been going on for more than years now, and it's been growing smaller and smaller from the start.
Wow.
And Jupiter is a gas planet. It's a gas planet, so you cannot walk on it. You can't walk on it. You will face through it.
Okay.
The rocky planets are another type of planet. The rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Earth is our home and where we live. It does have space trash, but they just don't show it.
Okay.
They don't show it in videos and other stuff. And Earth is the only planet that has a life. And the life on it, and the life can be dangerous and safe. 5% of the ocean has been explored, and Venus is further away from the sun than Mercury is, but it's still the hottest planet because it gets trapped, the heat, because of the sick stuff, like the sick carbon dioxide, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And then Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is like the moon, but is a planet. It's not a moon. The
Okay.
moon, it was the first ever. It's the first ever It's the first ever It's the Earth's natural satellite, only natural satellite. It's the Earth's only natural satellite. And then the moon is the only celestial body that humanity went on other than Earth. And Mars, and humanity is looking forward to colonize Mars. And Saturn, it has the most rings in the solar system. Is a gas giant like Jupiter, the second biggest planet in the solar system, too. And then the other types of planets are ice giants, like Neptune and Uranus. Uranus is on its side. It orbits the sun on its side. Wait, I don't know if it's actually Uranus. Might be Neptune. It has rings and orbits the sun on its side.
Okay. I think it's Neptune.
Yeah.
I'm not super sure, but I think it's Neptune, okay?
And then Neptune is like a dark blue, it's like a blue planet. The other, as in Uranus, is like a cyan planet.
Mm-hmm.
Like light blue. And then, both of them have rings, but the one that orbits on its side has the visible rings. And they're like each other. And then the dwarf planets are Ceres, Pluto, Makemake, and Eris, Ceres. Wait, what is the? I think there's another one, but there's probably much more dwarf planets. So, and all the dwarf planets have to become a planet, but one of them is that they don't clear their area. That's why they're not a planet.